Alright people, a lot of people don't know about me, but I like cooking. I like fooling my belly. Yeah? So today I'm gonna do a bit of jerk chicken and see how it goes. This is the chicken which I got yesterday, but I've already cleaned it. Make sure you wash it. A lot of people say don't wash the chicken or meat, but me personally, it has to get washed. From the Caribbean, it has to get washed. I'm telling you. So yeah, I've washed mine with vinegar twice, maybe 3 times. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season it up now. Put some season on it, some black pepper. Some more purple seasoning. You know, you season it however you wanna season it, but I do it my way. But different people do it differently. Some chicken seasoning. But you know, sometimes because you're gonna put the jerk seasoning on there, you don't need to put too much. You just put just a little bit just to give it a little bit of taste. There you see the main ingredients: some jerk chicken, hot. Don't like it medium, like it hot. Now I'm gonna mix it first and take 1-2 pieces to make some gravy for the kids. Don't listen to Shelda, you know. She thinks I don't like cooking, but I do.
No, I never say you don't like cooking. Did I say that? Wait,
No,
what
because,
did I say?
no, not because I don't like cooking, don't mean
Remember
that
what
I
I
can't
said.
cook. You said I don't like, you said, do you like cooking? And I said yes, and then you said, you like cooking.
Oh yeah, but I don't think you like it.
So do you think I can't cook?
No, I never said that. I taught you. So what do you mean?
You taught me.
Yeah. Even jerk chicken. Who taught you how to do jerk chicken? Is it not me? I.
Well,
Is it not me?
as you said, anyone could do jerk chicken.
Who taught you how to cook jerk chicken?
You didn't teach me. I look and I learn.
From where?
Everyone.
Who?
I had my friend who couldn't cook too, you know.
He learned from me. Don't listen to
She
him.
wants to take the credit. She could take the credit. But
I'm allowing him to cook today's dinner, so yeah. Jerk chicken or what?
yeah,
Jerk chicken and what?
I'm alright with just jerk chicken, you know. And some
So
veg.
Is that chicken and veg?
Yeah.
Is that it? What's everybody else gonna eat?
Well, we could do some pasta for the kids.
Pasta.
Yeah. Maybe some macaroni and cheese. Or some pasta with some bolognese sauce in there. Or just cook some butterfly pasta for them on the side. So you know they'll love it.
Alright.
Enough seasoning for now. Yes, peeps, if you see some nice good seasoning in there. But she always think that she teach me how to cook. But if a man can't cook, he's an idiot, he's a fool.
Why?
Foolish if a
Why
man
is he an
can't cook.
idiot?
Because he can't cook. He rely on the woman or the takeaway shop. You should never rely on nobody to cook for you.
Okay, boss.
You should be able to cook. Regardless man, woman, child, you should be able to cook for your belly.
Alright, boss.
Do you not agree?
Yeah, of course. So what if you met a woman that didn't know how to cook? You're saying a man have to be able to cook, innit? So what if the woman doesn't know how to cook? Would you be with someone that doesn't know how to cook?
Technically, I wouldn't say I wouldn't be with somebody who can't cook, but if they're willing to learn, that's a different story.
If they're willing to learn.
Yeah, like, because I'm not expecting to be coming from work every day or cooking every day. No, it goes both ways. Both parties have to be able to cook and.
So you teach a woman how to cook?
I won't teach her. She go find her mother.
Yeah, but the mom obviously didn't teach her from young, so you know she's gonna rely on you.
She'll have to learn while I'm doing it. When I'm doing it, she has to be right there and take tips and take notes. But,
okay.
or if she wants to try something, she could call and be like, "Oh, how do you do this? I want to try something."
Okay.
Some women they don't even want to touch the chicken with their bare hands.
And you know, there's men out there who would not be with a woman unless that woman can cook. Like, she's got to know how to cook, you know that?
Well, everybody's different because it's just the same way I believe a man should be able to cook as well. So, or if the man can't cook and he's willing to learn, that's different.
Should I put the pasta on? Should I get a pot?
You could do it.
Oh, you want to do it? Because I know it's your day today. Do you want to do it?
You can do it.
Alright. Yeah, what are you saying now?
Well, that's because they themselves can't cook.
Who's that?
The man who wouldn't be with a girl who can't cook.
No. Yeah, I guess so, but not entirely true.
Sometimes they're expecting the woman alone to cook every single time.
Yeah. There's some men out there like that though. They just want the women to do all the cooking. They go out to work and women do all the cooking.
I mean, some women like that too.
Some women like it. Yeah. Did you make it spicy?
So I've taken that out to make a gravy for Kira as well. What are you doing there?
Checking Instagram.
Checking Instagram.
Yes.
You come and check Instagram later. So what's your Instagram?
What's my Instagram?
Yeah.
What you mean?
People want to holler at you, innit? See more cooking from you. Since you're the big chef.
Yeah, don't worry guys. I'm gonna start cooking soon. Do some videos of me cooking. Obviously he's been doing. Yes, baby? Yeah, so yeah, obviously I'm gonna do some videos at some point of myself. But yeah.
See, she's the Jamaican one. She should be doing the jerk chicken, not me.
Yeah, but I taught you how to do it, so it's fine. It's practically me cooking, isn't it?
You just stop saying that. You teach me. Stop saying that.
It's practically me doing it.
Miss Nosy.
It's just my day off.
Your day off. You said that you're entitled for a day off.
Whatever. I'm not even gonna listen to you. I'm not even gonna listen.
You said that you're entitled for a day off. Are you not doing the macaroni thing?
I thought you were doing it.
No, I'm doing the chicken and the chicken. That's all I'm doing.
You're doing the chicken and the chicken.
Yeah.
Listen, it's my day off and you're cooking, so
You need to stop saying that. Generally, you don't get day off.
the pepper's burning my throat.
A little bit of pepper.
Yes.
So now we're gonna do the chicken. I'm gonna fry it down and make some gravy for the kids because they don't eat chicken much. The only chicken that they would eat is chicken nuggets. If you cook it at home, they won't eat it. So they will they eat the gravy. That's about it. So that's what I'm gonna do for them. Yeah. So she ended up getting me to do the macaroni and cheese now, so I don't even know why she's in the kitchen now. She's still there standing on her Instagram on the phone.
Listen, you came on the video telling people that you're gonna cook. You're cooking chicken, you're gonna cook macaroni and cheese. How am I even involved?
Okay then.
I shouldn't even be in the
Exactly,
video.
so come out of it then.
Alright, cool.
Bye. Since you're not gonna be there, you might as well go shop and get some more cheese.
No.
Can't even say like you cut up the veg for me or nothing like that. Hey Moses, you're a wicked woman, you know. So yeah, so now chicken's frying. Let me cut up some veg. The onions and stuff to put in there.
Alright, he's called me back. Told you need me, babe. You need me. Alright, so that's the chicken frying. And he's cutting up the onions and sweet pepper and all that.
You still look on Instagram again? Who you messaging? You're not gonna help, right? You know, like you just...
I left and then you called me back.
You're just there for good looks. You're not helping, you're not doing nothing.
What else did I be here for? What do you mean? You better can't cook.
Hold on the lyrics. Hello, if you're not gonna be helping, you might as well come over.
What do you want me to do?
I have to tell you what you could do.
Wait, man, you're just getting on and on and on about me doing nothing, right?
Yeah, do something because something to you. Alright now, I've finished cutting up the onions, peppers, tomatoes. So now I'm just waiting for the chicken to finish frying and then I'll put them together.
One thing that you guys don't know about us is that we're vegan. We're vegan.
You try.
Yeah, I wouldn't say vegan is the word for it. We just eat healthy. And then obviously sometimes we have a little bit of meat for a treat or cheese and stuff like that. But most of the time we don't really eat meat. So yeah, I guess you could call that vegan, isn't it?
Yeah, I wouldn't call it vegan because I don't like that word.
What would you call it then?
Rasta.
Huh?
Rasta.
Rasta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pick and choose when you want to eat meat. There's a lot of people who got dreadlocks and they eat more pork than me.
So that's what it's called, yeah, Rasta. Yeah, we never drink cow's milk. Never drink cow's milk. I don't buy cow's milk. We only drink oats or soya. Yeah, so I guess the only sort of cow's milk we have is in cheese or yogurts and stuff like that. But like I said, that's rare. We don't really eat that often. But yeah, we try to live a vegan lifestyle.
Now I'm going to put the veg and the tomatoes and stuff that I've cut up in the chicken. Check it to see if we need anything else.
What should I cook for my video, babe?
What should you cook?
Guys, what do you think I should cook? Let me know. Yeah, what should I cook?
Some oxtail.
And you got oxtail.
Some curry goat.
Oxtail.
Long time we haven't had that.
Yeah, I think good. Wow. I think probably Christmas last year we had it. At my mum's.
Probably.
Oh, I don't even look at oxtail the same. Since we stopped eating meat like that. Oxtail, that black meat.
Boy, that's what I say. You can't say you're vegan. As the Rastaman then say, you have to eat what you have to eat to survive.
No, I'm not saying I wouldn't eat it, but just the thought of it is just, I don't know about that. But, I don't know. We'll see, I ain't cooked oxtail in years. I haven't cooked it. I've eaten it elsewhere, but I haven't cooked it. I don't know. I think we should put macaroni and cheese. Not macaroni and cheese. Ackee and saltfish. What do you want? Curry goat? What do you want?
Curry goat, you can't do oxtail.
Even a goat I'm not even keen on, but...
We have to get the one with no bones in there.
Oh. The only sort of meat I'm okay with eating is chicken.
And pork.
No, chicken and fish. That's the only thing we eat. We kind of treat ourselves to, if you know what I mean. Chicken and fish. But other than that, nah, I don't really. We don't cook anything else, to be honest.
Well, I'm gonna check out the jerk chicken, see how it's coming out. It's not been too long. Let me just keep eyes on. So alright, give it another few more minutes, let it cook, and then I'll take that off.
Is it soft?
I haven't checked it, so I'll just give it another 10 minutes. This is the finished article of the jerk chicken and the stewed chicken and the pasta, as you can see on the plate there, with the chicken, the jerk chicken, and some pasta. Put some gravy on it as well from the chicken. And that's the chicken.
What is that?
I made some gravy for the girls in the pot. But it is peppery.
Yeah, jerk chicken's really hot.
Nice. Bon
What
appetit.
do you eat?
Enjoy, babes.
Do you know what to eat?
Alright, thank you for the din-dins. Thank you for cooking for all of us.
No, I'll go your back.
I'll give you.
No, useless man.
Alright, I'm ready to tuck in. So, what are you saying?
You sure your teaspoon?
Yeah, I'm going to do it now. Alright. I'm gone.
Enjoy and let me know what you think as well of my cooking.
Thumbs up. And subscribe.